Hey everybody, Joy here. It's Tuesday, May 5, 2020, and I finally got the Fit Nice codes figured out. I'm pretty sure. And of course, as always, every time I go to make a video for you guys, the lawn people show up, so let's hope they don't get too loud out there, okay? Alright, let's talk codes. Let me get a sippa. I just called Judy for the first time because we've had so many emails back and forth and I'm confused. I've confused myself. So as far as I know, I'm 99% sure this is the right information, okay? So if it changes when she calls me back, then I will put it in the comments below. So look below on the show more and I will type down there what I'm telling you now, okay? And then if it changes, I'll change it there. I'm positive about this. Her top pattern and her pants pattern, they're called the master patterns. They're both on sale for 20% off. Put them in your cart, go to pay for them, and then when you see that little box where you're supposed to put a code, put J-O-Y, J-O-Y. Joy, joy. Doesn't matter if it's caps or smalls. J-O-Y, J-O-Y, joy, joy. And you'll get 20% off and no freight. I'm pretty sure. 20% off and no freight, okay? Now, one of her variations, she let me choose one. I'm not sure if I will make it right now. I'm gonna start out with just her basic pattern and make it, okay? And, but I did choose a top that I really liked, and so she said, well, I'll discount that 50%. So that is called the seaside top. Now, listen to me. This is important. It will save you lots and lots of frustration if you're like me and you do it wrong. Go to her website, www.fitnicesystem.com. That's one system, not two. Fitnicesystem.com. Click on Shop. Then go down and click on Variations. Then you'll be able to scroll through all the variations. And if there is a video that goes with one of the variations, it will be underneath it. You might have to scroll down quite a bit, and then you'll be able to click on it. If, like me, you start out at the top and you click on videos, don't do it. It will take you hours to find the top you're looking for. Don't do that. Go to Shop. You don't have to buy it to see the video, y'all. Judy's very, very generous in doing that. You don't have to buy it to see the video. So you go to Shop, Variations, go in there and find Seaside. If you want to get that one, it's 50% off. And the code for that is just JOY, J-O-Y, just one joy. Okay, so the patterns are Joy, Joy. The Seaside top is just Joy. Those are your discount codes. Seaside top 50% off. Patterns 20% off for 1 week. For 1 week. And we won't start sewing for a week from today, because I want you to have time to get your pattern, whatever else you want to get from her. I want you to have time to get that. Now the Seaside top will be a download, so there's no freight on that either. That's just a download. So, did I say that right? PDF file. I'll give you a week to get your pattern. It's just a very simple pattern. I'll show it to you again. Very simple pattern. I still have to put all of my fit issues into it. See, this is it. It's very simple. The front and the back are together, and the difference is the neckline. Now I've changed the neckline a little bit because her back neckline is a little bit longer than the front, and I asked her about that, and she said she just kind of eases the back into the front to make it fit. I made mine be the same since we're working with knits and it's already got built-in ease, okay? So, and I'll be doing a video showing you exactly how I draw it, how I cut it out, how I make it, but not today. That'll be in a week when you all get your patterns and you can play with me. We want to all play together. Okay? All right, I think that's all I need to tell you. Oh, except for this. Those of you who make the top with me, If you don't have to make the top, you don't have to do anything. But if you want to sew along with me and you want to make the top, we will post it over there on Instagram. And I'll make a hashtag of some sort. Watch for it in the next video when I start sewing this. I'm not going to tell you the hashtag today because I don't even know what it is or what my brain's going to come up with. One day at a time is all I can get in my mind, okay? Alright, I have an insert already. Oh my goodness. I think I started to tell you about Instagram and how we'll post pictures of what we've made at Instagram, but Judy is going to give away her big workbook. That workbook is wonderful. A lot of you have bought it, and oh, by the way, did I tell you this? I'm telling you what, there's a lot to remember. Did I tell you that her 2 books, she's going to continue to have her 2 books on sale through the end of May. Those books are both wonderful. I highly recommend them. They are very well done. There's a few little things in there that I thought were kind of confusing, but very, very little. Most of all, it was very well done. And there's videos to go with everything. The new book, you have to have the QR code to find the videos. But in the bigger book, her first book, you can find the videos without scanning the QR codes. And for the QR codes, you have to have your cell phone or an iPad. That's the only way they work, okay? So I think that's right. She's giving away a big prize to one winner, random number drawing. She will give her big book away for free to one winner in the United States, okay? Remember to check the box below in case I forgot something or I said something backwards. End of insert. So, those are the discount codes. Run over to Fit Nice, buy your patterns, get your seaside top if you want to. It's a really cute one. She made it with stripes, and so part of it, the stripes go horizontal and part of the stripes go vertical. And it's got either a dolman sleeve or a set-in sleeve. It's really cute. Okay, so I think that's all I want to tell you today. Be sure and check in the box below, just in case my mouth got twisted and I didn't say it exactly right. Click on the show more below. Also, if you would like to order some pattern ease, she sells pattern ease, but I've always bought my pattern ease. You can buy it from her by the yard. But I've always bought mine. Let me get the bolt and I'll show you. I've talked about this several times in my past videos, and it's called pattern ease. Now the prices go up and down like the stock market. It's crazy. But I was able to buy this for a really good price when I bought the whole bolt. And it's wide. This is folded in half, so it's twice this wide. And I get it at Amazon. I'll put the link below. And I already unwound a whole bunch of this and took it to my other house. So it's a big roll. It is 46 inches wide by 50 yards. So you can like sew from now until eternity if you get a whole bolt of this stuff. And I think there's some people on there that sell it by the yard. But I'll put a couple links below and you can go there and then you can check Judy's place. She sells it too, and check the prices and see where you want to get it. One of you asked me about the notions and if she was going to put those discounted, make those have a discount, and she said no. She said not now, not this time. So none of the notions are discounted, okay? But I will put my links to Pattern Ease. What else do you need that I get from Amazon? I don't think anything. You'll need to get everything else from her. Okay? All right. That's it for today. I have to go because now they're mowing the lawn and they're making a loud noise. So I'll be back soon. Take care.